Pooja Singh Relearn Geology. Here I have searched for some questions related to sedimentary structure. So I found one of the question came in UPSC Geoscientist examination to 2025. So here is the question is which came under section D of paper 1, which is of 15 marks. The question is here asking for to describe the mechanical structure of sedimentary rock with neat sketches. So here mechanical structures are nothing but the structures, sedimentary structures formed by the external pressure and external disturbance like deformation structures. So here you have to write the sedimentary structure formed by deformative forces. uh, I have taught you about the different types of sedimentary structure, so you can refer the table given in my one of the PPT where the different types of deformation structure is being given. I have not yet described the whole sedimentary structure one by one. I have only covered right now the bed and the bed forms. Now I will cover more sedimentary structure in the upcoming lecture. So this is the question. You can just take a glimpse of it, how the questions came from sedimentary structure. So you have to be very good at drawing diagrams. If you have trouble in drawing the diagrams, I can tell you how to draw a good, beautiful and descriptive diagram, and how to write a good answer for the geoscientist examination. So if you have I will describe, I will tell you what is actually the mechanical structure of sedimentary rock is actually. But right now this is simply introductory video for all of you, so that you can have an idea of what type of question actually being asked in today's nowadays in the geoscientist examinations. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.